Let's review the three main parts of a circle. We have the radius, the diameter, and the circumference. The radius is the distance from the middle of the circle to the outside edge of the circle. The diameter is the distance across the circle, but it must go through the center of the circle. So from edge to edge through the middle. The circumference is the distance around the circle, around the outside edge. There is nothing called the perimeter of the circle, but if there was, it would be called the circumference. Now, these three words are kind of easy to remember in terms of not mixing them up. The radius is the shortest word, and it's the shortest distance from the center to the edge. The diameter is the second longest word. It's the second longest distance across the circle. The circumference is the longest word, and it's the longest distance all the way around the circle. And just remember that if the radius of a circle is, say, 4 inches, then the diameter would be 8 inches, double of the radius, because a diameter is made up of 2 radii. If the diameter of the circle, let's say, here's a circle, here's the diameter, that's not a very good circle, but if the diameter was, say, 12 feet, then the radius of the circle would be 6 feet, or half of the diameter.